In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the latest features and updates we've made to the HoteSoft software. So if you're new, you can start a free trial or log in directly if you're an existing customer and we've onboarded. And so, yeah, from the login here, you can log in as a hotel guest, ecosystem partner, the hotel staff. Our ecosystem program allows partners to refer people to hotels like tourists and other people who are working with our ecosystem partners can refer to the hotel. They can earn a commission on any referrals to hotels, and hotels can also, the guests of the hotels can purchase like services, spa, food, any other services the ecosystem partners list, and the hotels will earn commissions on that as well. And so, let's figure out a way. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a hotel staff here. And so I'm going to log in as an admin. We created this test admin account. And so if I click sign into dashboard here, it brings me to the hotel's admin page dashboard where you can see an overview of what's going on in the hotel, a quick overview. You can see number of rooms. So every hotel we can create rooms, or you can create them yourself, but we can create them for you so that we know in the room management area, there's a room management section where you create a room. So here is where you create the room. So you create the rooms, add their descriptions, details, and this is used to connect to your channel manager, which you'll see down the line here. The channel manager allows you to connect to various hotel booking channels. And so, yeah, number of rooms, we just created one test room. The ones that are available, any departures, arrivals, today's snapshot. You can create new bookings, occupancy, raise monthly revenue, monthly bookings, quick reports, recent bookings, all show up on the dashboard to give you a quick snapshot of what's going on. You go to front desk calendar and you can see what's going on the front desk. You can make a new reservation from here, but there's also booking management where you can make reservation as well. But you can make it from the front desk page. You can look up a guest. And so if I enter room 101 and find guests, you can see this is a guest who is in room 101. I can send an invoice to their email. I can print their receipt. And so when this opens up, you can see this is the receipt summary of their visit. So if they're checking out, I can just click print here to print the receipt for them to take of them. I have room status. This allows you to see the status of rooms on different floors, whether they're occupied, available, reserved, whether there's a checkout or maintenance need. You see all of that there. If I go to booking management, I can see the bookings. I can see those who have checked in, part payments, completed payments, any reports. I can make a reservation from here as well. So from the front desk or booking management, you can make reservations. The orders page, any orders I have in place will show up here. I can create a new order by filling out these details or report a new order that somebody has placed. But I guess when they log into their portal, can also place orders from there and they'll show up here. And so, yeah, they don't need to manually come to the front desk. This thing will beep us an alert to people at the front desk so that they know that an order has been placed. Um, yeah, so they would need to keep an eye on this because if a guest places an order from their room, an alert will flash here on the site and you can respond to the order. So yeah, you can see payments, any part payments or completed payments will show up here. If you go to the staff directory, you can see the list of staff. You can create a new user, add a new staff member by filling out this form. And so, yeah, you can look at shift management. So you can see information about different shifts and things like that. And then if you go to activity tracking, you can see active staff, hourly activity, summaries, activity log, so staff log, and housekeeping assigned, things like that. Shift history, you can see that here as well. And then And the housekeeping, I can add a housekeeping task by filling out this form. Food and beverage. So there's a food and beverage dashboard. You place a new order from here as well. There's a point of sale. We can integrate a point of sale device. From here, you can do different types of orders: room service, table service, food or outdoor service. And yeah, kitchen display. So if there are any orders in the kitchen, we'll see it here. Dining in, room service, poolside. So we don't have any orders yet, so you don't see anything, but you can create a new order from here as well. And this here, all orders, you can look at all orders. And then you can do a quick guest lookup from here as well. So this guest lookup is actually, you can do it from multiple places. You can look at your revenue. So you can report revenue here. So yeah, you just enter the details. If you receive some revenue, date, time, you can upload a receipt, billing reason. It could be a payment for service, rent, utility, whatever it is. So you just fill out the form and submit, and it will report a revenue item. So under reports, which you'll see down here somewhere, we have reports about different things. So one of these is a revenue report, like net revenue here. So if you click on this, you can see information about revenue. So yeah, food and beverages. You can see a report of about food and beverage report. So yeah, rather than go through every single thing, let me just jump around a bit. So channel manager here, you can see any information about different channels. This is an overview. Inventory rates. So yeah, you can connect to various booking channels, and depending on the plan you subscribe to, you'll see anywhere from a few to several booking channels that you've connected to, and you see their details here. But we have to onboard you your hotel for every booking channel that you want to connect to based on the plan option that you choose. The ecosystem here, we have ecosystem services. So right now, yeah, you are not connected to any ecosystem services yet, but we have some guest partners. So if a partner is onboarded, you'll see their information here. Okay, I flushed the database, so that's why a lot of that information is gone. But if it's a spa or a restaurant or whatever, when they sign up as an ecosystem partner, you'll see them listed here, and then you can add them to your hotel's ecosystem. So you'll be able to receive referrals from them, and your guests will be able to place orders of them, like somebody might book a tourist attraction. And once they've done that, if they book a tourist attraction, the hotel earns a commission for that referral because the guest booked through them. And if the tourist agency also refers a guest to the hotel, they earn commissions. So that way, we create a win-win situation for both the hotels and ecosystem partners. But it's optional, so even though you'll see the list of ecosystem partners here when we add them, it's up to you to add a partner or not to add them. So if you don't add somebody who is listed here, then your guests will not see them, you will not receive referrals from them, and your guests cannot place orders from them. But once you've added them, then you've agreed to add a partner with them so they can refer guests to your hotel, and your guests can purchase services from them when they log into their guest account. So we have CRM, customer relationship management. This here allows, yeah, you can create marketing campaigns and automations here. So you can view any campaigns, view information about campaigns that have been set up. So you can create a campaign targeting your guests. And yeah, so this is where you create the campaigns. And so for example, if I decide to create a new campaign, I can do a promotion or send somebody a birthday wish or different kinds of campaigns. So you would have to you can create a different campaign type, a new campaign type. Uh, and then once you've created the campaign types, uh, you can choose the type here. And so I can target all guests, returning guests, VIP guests, and what else. And then once I click next, I can send email, SMS, WhatsApp messages. So I'll need to customize this. So if I choose to send an email, I can choose, okay, maybe welcome message template and next. And yeah, this one. And so depending on the type of campaign you want to send, you create it, you view the details, and then you launch. So if I want to send them emails and SMSs, because of the selections that I made, they will get the message via email and SMS. But we can customize this for each hotel to use their own branding and other things. So this is just a generic workflow for the automation creation, and we'll need to set up your email and WhatsApp details that will be used to send the campaign messages. And so, yeah, you can create an automation. So you can create automations to send birthday wishes or inactivity notices or things like that to users. So you can, whatever kind of automation it is, you just specify the type and the trigger, and it will be automatically sent. Communications, you can see information about communication messages sent, delivered, and contacts. So these are just test data we've populated just to kind of show you how this works. But yeah, you can create a form for different purposes. And yeah, there's a whole lot going on. Reviews, reputation. So if the guest can leave you a feedback and you can respond to it or act on it. So under reputation management here, um, yeah, you can see information about reviews that have been who have to onboard your hotel if you sign up for the service. So we can see you can see an overview of information about reviews on different channels that have been posted about your hotel, and you can generate a report. You can respond to the reviews. Guest feedback. Guest feedback, you can yeah, you can see any feedback the guests have left and you can respond to them. So unfortunately, I cleared the database, so you will not see the sample feedback. But if the guest logs into their guest portal and they leave feedback, you can respond to them and take steps to address them to improve retention and return rates and all that. So I just go over one more feature because I know that's a long video, but let me go to AI. So we have a dynamic pricing agent. So some of these are premium features. So depending on the plan you choose, you may or may not have access to it. But these are so when we onboard you, depending on the plan you choose, you'll see the features that come with your plan when you log in. And so yeah, you can dynamically adjust room rates but depending on peak demand and other things, and it can improve your revenues over time because it will increase bookings if your rates adjust based on demand instead of being fixed throughout. If the demand is high based on various factors, then um yeah, it will adjust your prices based on that. So this is dynamic pricing. We're also implementing AI insights. So again, these are features that will come as premium features. So we would need to add an API key for one of the GPTs. And then based on that, the GPT will be used to generate AI insights about your hotel to provide you detailed insights that will help you better manage your hotel. So yeah, we've done a lot on the hotel settings here. We can onboard your hotel. So these are hotel settings that you can set as the owner. You can change even things like the color scheme and things like that. But yeah, you can set the extension for these things so that when the guests log in, if extension 0 is the reception, they know that they can call extension 0 or 21 for housekeeping or 34 for room service. So these whatever you set is used to customize the guest portal and guest experience. Data import. So we can onboard any new hotel. So you need to have a file in a certain format. So we can download a sample here. And once your information is in that format, we can easily upload and onboard your existing data. So if I click upload file here and I choose a file, you can see I have a sample file. So if I were to choose this, so this is CSV, this one is a workbook. If I were to choose to open this, I can then continue, and again you can see it's kind of bringing in some of that data, and then these are some of the information that is imported. So yeah, we can do this for you. We'll do it onboarding for you if you want us to do it. We want you to have a seamless experience. So once you go through and you review it, and you click import, you complete that process, and your data is added to the system from your existing system. You can change your password from here. And if you go to support and training, yeah, you can create a support ticket. But we also have a training module where you can add lessons, create courses for your team members to watch. So if you create a course, you can add lessons to it once you've created the course. And the lessons could be on a range of topics. We'll partner with some training institutions to offer training to hotels as well. So you would have to let us know if you're interested in that. But I created a simple course called email marketing. So if I go to create a lesson, I can create a specific lesson and upload content. So the text can be content. Content can be text, video, or document that you upload. And when you assign the course or lesson to one of your team members, it will show up when they log in, and they'll know that they have to complete this course as part of your training. So yeah, it's a comprehensive system, and let me know if you have any questions or feedback or anything else you'd like us to add. But we can deploy this for you within 48 hours of receiving a green light. We can customize it for your hotel and onboard your staff and team members and train them in how to use it. And yeah, we can also make any customizations or integrations that you want us to do for you, because that's part of what we do. We don't just dump the software on you. We're there to support you and make the most out of it. So yeah, send me a message if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them.